One of the features you probably fell in love with your PFAFF machine is the built-in IDT technology here, kind of like a walking foot all built in. But let's talk about what it's supposed to be used for and when you're not supposed to use it. So number one, your machine will even guide you of when you should have it on and when you should have it off. To take it off, all you have to do is bring it down and lift away. And to re-engage it, just pull down with one finger and it clicks back in place. Now keep in mind, the feet that have the IDT option have this little groove inside here. So that means there's room for that tool to kind of help pull the fabrics through as you're sewing. So anything that's stretchy fabric or multi-layers and anything with batting in between, this is going to be your lifesaver. You don't need to buy a separate walking foot because one does not exist for the PFAFF machines because it is built into the machine. Now, if your machine calls for, say, a different presser foot, like 2A, notice it does not have that opening right here. That means that those stitches are not required to have the dual feet engaged. Disengage it, change your feet, and you are all ready to stitch. It just hangs out back here when it's not in use. Also, too, when you use your free motion foot, make sure that that IDT is disengaged. But boy, if you have any fabric that is gonna act up or be slippery or stretchy, that IDT system on the PFAFF sewing machines is gonna make everything super easy and even as it comes out the back of the machine.